called on other African leaders to join forces in establishing and maintaining strong public health institutions and enhance Africa's capacity in manufacturing its own vaccines and stop relying on other countries. Now, this call comes after the spread of COVID-19 disrupted the continent's economy and dragged development in the third world countries.
Speaking in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, during the inaugural ministerial forum by the Africa Centers for Disease Control, President Ruto has said that Africa must invest in public health workforce to support institutions with skilled professionals.
The Cabinet Secretary for Ministry of Health of the Republic of Kenya is currently working on proposed modalities to fast-track commitments, and these will be shared for adoption so that we can secure the place of our continent, especially when health emergencies emerge.
The head of state has noted that African nations need to invest more in health sector and boost resource mobilization so as to achieve these interventions.
I further challenge ministers of health to be more innovative and more involved in the governance of Africa CDC and its activities to make it the organization of choice to go to during disease outbreak and health emergencies.
The president has also reiterated on the need to shift from the initial investment in health to a more unified approach, as future health threats and disease outbreaks may be more complex, risking lives in the continent.
The last 3 years have taught us the importance of a robust health sector following the example of global response to COVID-19 pandemic. Political goodwill was found as the greatest ingredient for world leaders to work together, cooperate, and coordinate efforts for the betterment of humanity.
Ruto has, however, lauded the call by the Africa Union Commission to governments, multilateral organizations, and the private sector to support the full execution of Africa's public health order.
The new public health order is therefore necessary to safeguard our African continent from a myriad of threats to health, reproductive rights, and socio-economic security. It is even more essential to achieve health security in the face of emerging and re-emerging health threats such as COVID-19, Ebola, among others.
Ruto is expected to jet back in the country on Sunday after concluding his 3-day visit in Ethiopia for the 36th ordinary session of the African Union Heads of State and Government Summit. Samedika, Look Up TV.